Land Rover, tune-up versus scheduled maintenance. What's the difference? Land Rover owners often hear the terms tune-up and scheduled maintenance during service visits. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right service at the right time. Knowing both services helps protect performance and long-term reliability. What is a Land Rover tune-up? A tune-up focuses on improving engine performance and restoring smooth operation. It targets problems that affect power fuel use and drivability. Tune-ups are more corrective than preventive in nature. Tune-up services. Spark plugs, filters, and ignition components are inspected or replaced. Throttle and fuel systems are checked for proper response. Engine performance settings are adjusted when needed. When a tune-up is needed. Tune-ups are recommended when performance issues become noticeable. Common signs include rough idling, weak acceleration, and poor mileage. High-mileage vehicles often benefit from a tune-up. Scheduled maintenance services, oil changes, fluid checks, and brake inspections are performed. System inspections help detect early signs of wear. Maintenance records help protect warranty coverage. Key difference. A tune-up fixes performance problems when they appear. Scheduled maintenance prevents problems before they start. Both services serve different but important purposes. Tune-ups and scheduled maintenance work best when combined. Each service supports reliability, comfort, and performance. Regular professional care keeps your Land Rover dependable and long-lasting.